Watch a 1-minute financial chart for 60 seconds and you will see pure chaos. Prices flicker, spike, and collapse with violent speed, creating an overwhelming flood of raw, untamed data. That intense volatility is exactly what draws people to 1-minute scalping. The goal is to dive into the market, extract tiny profits, and close the position out in just 3 to 5 minutes. But that extreme speed hides a constant, immediate threat, the whipsaw. Whipsaws are sudden, microscopic market twitches. A price drops aggressively for 40 seconds, making you think a massive sell-off is happening. You execute a trade, and 10 seconds later, the price snaps violently back in the other direction. If you try to trade that environment on raw instinct, the noise will drain your capital. Surviving the 1-minute chart requires a rigid mechanical filter to strip away the random movements and reveal the actual signal. This animated chart shows a standard 1-minute price feed, but we are cutting through the noise by adding a 200-period Exponential Moving Average, or EMA. Because an EMA prioritizes the most recent price data, it reduces lag, acting as our first major mathematical filter. That slow-moving line establishes the macro sentiment. If the current price action sits above the 200 EMA, the market condition is strictly bullish. If it falls below, it is strictly bearish. Next, we overlay the 50-period EMA. This is a much faster, highly sensitive indicator that hugs the immediate price fluctuations, serving as the system's trigger. The entry signal occurs in a fraction of a second. We look for the exact moment the fast 50 EMA sharply intersects and crosses over the slow 200 EMA. That intersection provides mathematical proof that the immediate momentum has decisively shifted, giving you a high probability entry point free from the surrounding static. An EMA crossover is useless if you execute it in an empty room. The market environment around the chart matters just as much as the indicators on it. You need maximum momentum, which means operating strictly during the few hours a day when the London and New York trading sessions overlap. You also need deep liquidity. That means restricting your targets to major currency pairs like USD or GBP USD. Because you are targeting micro profits of just 10 to 15 pips per trade, market friction will eat your margins. Your broker's spread, the gap between the buy and sell price, must be nearly zero. To defend against a false signal, we add a time filter. Before taking the 1-minute crossover, check the 15-minute chart to ensure the larger macroeconomic trend is moving in your exact same direction. When the setup aligns, patience is required. You must wait for the 1-minute candle to completely close past the crossover point. Entering the second the lines touch is a common trap. Finally, we build a safety net. You place a rigid stop loss just 5 to 7 pips below the most recent swing low. If the setup fails, the trade is killed instantly. Demand high volume, macro trend alignment, and a microscopic stop loss. By enforcing these rules, you turn a highly vulnerable timeframe into a protected mathematical system. Let's watch the pieces snap together in real time as the market noise finally aligns with our filters. This dashboard tracks our active position. The 50 crosses the 200. The 15-minute chart confirms the trend. The candle closes, the buy order executes instantly. Momentum carries the price up. 4 minutes later, the progress bar hits the 15-pip target, automatically closing the position. Success in 1-minute scalping requires the discipline to ignore human guesswork and wait for mathematical probability to present itself. To apply this blueprint, you need the right infrastructure. Open an NX1 account with FXNX today to access the 0.0 pip spreads required to master the 1-minute chart.